So today we are talking about oils. Hot topic a couple of weeks ago. Don't know whether it's still trending. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Curlykinkydee. I'm also known as Donna, so hi to everyone. Today we are talking about oils. Oils. So I know it was a trending debate, story on social media, whether it's still trending, I don't know. But I have used oils since I have transitioned. And I just feel that it's worked for me. I don't have any problems. My hair is flourishing, and that's the main thing for me. And I just feel sometimes, yes, you can tweak your regimen that you've got for your hair. You can add, you can take away. But I also think if it's something that you've been doing 2 years, 3 years, then, why not? I know there's people that detoxed from oils and butters and all that jazz, and, they were hyped about it. It helped them. I'm not saying that I would not experiment down that road, but for now, what's working for me is working. And maybe later down the line, if it's still a trending thing, if it's still an ongoing thing, I might give it a go, this detoxifying business. But yes, so I want to share with you guys the oils I use, how I use them. So guys, I'll start off with olive oil. Olive oil is one of my favorite oils. I normally just buy a local olive oil. I'll go into my local store and just pick it up. I hope you guys can see that. And guys, so long as it says extra virgin or refined, if it has one of them 2 words, I'm taking it, and I always just go in, and most of the time I would pick up this one. And what I do is I will then put it in one of these squirty bottles, and that's it. I basically use this for pre-pooing. So if my hair is quite dry and I just feel like I'm gonna do an overnight pre-poo session, this is what I go for, guys. I put this on my hair, detangle. So firstly spritz some water, then go in with my oil, detangle, twist out, big fat twist out, and then put a shower cap on my head, scarf, and go and sleep. And it works for me. I've been doing this method for going on 2 years now, 2.5 years. I literally do this. If I am not using another pre-shampoo, this is my pre-pooing. This is what I do. This is what I go for. Love this stuff. And guys, the olive oil, it moisturizes your hair. It makes your hair healthy. It strengthens your hair, and it gives a lot of shine. And therefore I say, it's kind of important to know your hair. I always say, get intimate with your hair. That is just my words. Get intimate with your hair, because then you'll know what oils work and what oils don't. Because I'm low porosity, thick, heavy oils is not going to do it for me, guys, because it's just going to sit on top of my hair. So I've got to look for really light oils. And I also believe that you don't have to overdo it with the oil factor. If you feel your hair is dry, maybe first just spritz it with water. Water is one of our best moisturizing, hydrating factor for our hair, So guys, my next oil is the Amla Hair Oil, and this is the box. This is what the inside looks like. And guys, basically this says, I've just recently started using this a couple of months ago. I know this is great for, let me see, for promoting long healthy hair, and it can assist in reducing split ends and minor hair loss. So I have read that this does promote long hair, healthy long hair. But what I do, I use this once a month and I mix it with my olive oil, and I put it in one of the bottles that I just showed you guys, the squirty bottles. So like this. So this is a mixture of olive oil and the amla. So guys, I just put a couple of drops into my olive oil and then do the same pre-pooing session. So basically what I would do then is water, oil, detangle, but I won't leave this overnight. I'll just leave it for maybe 5 to 6 hours and then wash my hair. Like I said, I'm not sure if there's amazing results because I've been using this recently, but my hair feels great after using it, after detangling it. So yeah, I'm just going to keep on using this and then just see, you know. My next one, guys, is my favorite oil, which is the Argan Oil. So you guys will most probably see me most of the time using this oil. Yes, this is such a light oil, guys, such a light oil. So basically guys, this reduces frizz, it strengthens and it moisturizes your hair, and it is just such a lightweight oil. I use this predominantly when I'm doing twist outs. You know, after I've done my twist outs, I'll rub it through the twist. When I'm undoing my twist, I use this oil, and this is, yeah, predominantly what I would use it for, is for my twist and undoing of twist. I love this, and I also put this on my hairline, especially my edges. If I've done my edges and there's gel on it in the night time, I will just go with the Argan Oil and just kind of rub it into my edges and also the nape of my head at the back and just all along my hairline. Love this stuff. Another favorite oil of mine is the Taliyah Wajit Hydrating Curl Shine, and this has coconut and avocado oil in it. And guys, once again, I love this as well. I use this when I'm doing a high puff, low ponytail, when my curls are looking dull, they are, you know, not popping. This is what I will just spray on. So I'll just, you know, spray it on, and then I'll just kind of tweak the curls that needs tweaking. But most of all, this is absolutely great for just that shine. I love this, love it. My next oil is the African Pride Moisture Miracle 5 essential oils with vitamin E, and this is what it looks like. And the 5 essential oils that is in this, guys, is castor, grapeseed, argan, coconut and olive oil. I like this. I will use this when I've got twist outs in and I've exceeded maybe 5 or 7 days. I haven't taken them out, and I will go in with this on my scalp and I will just kind of, you know, rub it in, massage it in, and that's it. That is what I mainly use this oil for. I also like it because it's a mixture of castor and coconut oil, which my hair absolutely hates on its own. I think it's a very heavy oil, the castor and coconut, and it sits on top of my hair. So the mixture of this I like because it has some of the good oils, and yeah, love this. My next oil will be the jojoba oil, and it's unrefined jojoba. I've also recently started using this. I use this basically when I want to massage my scalp. I know it's getting closer to my wash day and I just want to, you know, loosen up my scalp a bit, you know, just give it a bit of, you know, a nice massage, get the circulation in my scalp going, and I will go in with this oil. I love it so far when I'm, you know, massaging it in. It's not a heavy oil, so I can't complain. You know, it's not something that it's too heavy for my hair, or it's making my hair too oily, or it's sitting on my hair. Perfect. And the next oil, guys, is the Jamaican Manga and Lime Black Castor Oil with Tea Tree. And this is what this one looks like. So this helps soothe dry skin and scalp and great for scalp massage. The tea tree in here, guys, which I like, is obviously tea tree oil is good, you know, for itchiness, dandruff, inflammation on the scalp, you know, irritation. So I would normally put this on when I do have an itchy scalp or I've dandruff in my hair. This is the time I take this out and I use this. The other thing where I would say where I use both of them in a deep conditioner, when my deep conditioner has not got moisturizing factor, it has not got the slip factor, this is when I will throw a few drops of these in and mix it. So, you know, that is what I will do. I will mix this into my deep conditioner, just to give it that moisturizing and slip factor, and that is it. Instead of wasting my deep conditioner or throwing it or going through a painful detangling session, I just go in with these bad boys, put it on my hair, and there you go, slip and moisture. So guys, that is it for me. That's the oils I've used. I hope you find some kind of helpful tips in this. But yeah, guys, this is the oils I use. It works for my low porosity hair, and yeah, I just absolutely love these oils. So guys, it's just all about knowing your hair. That's the most important thing. Knowing your hair, knowing what works, and you'll know what oils is good for your hair, what oils is not beneficial for your hair. So I want to say thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.